Yehlukene imibono yamaqembu ezombusazwe ephalamende ngokuqokwa kukaMfundisi uFrank Chikane kwesokuba yinhloko yophiko lwezobunhloli kuleli. uChikane uqokwe kulesisikhundla emva kwenhlolokhono ebanjwe ngasekuqaleni kwalonyaka yikomidi elibhekele ezobunhloli.
Objections to the approval by the House of the nomination of the Reverend Frank Chikane for appointment as Inspector General of Intelligence Services. Are there any objections?
Chairperson, there is an objection from the Democratic Alliance and we'd like to call for a division.
Is a demonstration of the greatest cognitive dissonance there ever was. A 71-year-old in a pool of talent across the country that must be reinserted at the highest levels of constitutional structures is a statement of no confidence on the youth, is a statement of no confidence generally in the country, but it's a reflection that the ANC has run out of talent.
Is nothing but just a number. The Inspector General, Honorable House Chairperson, the Inspector General, that position, you cannot give it to a young person, because if you do that, the country will
Order, honorable members, order.
If that position can be given to a young person, the country will be sold for 15 cents in the next minute.
We have reservations and concerns about the fact that a younger, perhaps more energetic person could have been chosen, but we're of the view that Reverend Frank Chikane is a man of integrity who will be able to actually discharge his responsibilities in this new assignment.
The question has to be asked is whether an ANC cadre would stand up and act if an issue arose against a lifelong colleague, perhaps a minister. He would be put in an impossible situation. It's a matter of credibility. It's highly unlikely a working member in one of the three services would believe that he would take their side rather than the side of his good comrade.
It's each of our responsibility to prevent the mistakes from reoccurring. The member from the ANC is correct that the IGI should be impartial, and thus the FF Plus cannot support this appointment.